we're on the road again, and this time we are headed out to Old Highway 91. We've got a Toyota Sequoia that's off the roadway about 30 foot down an embankment. So I've called Matt. Actually, I called John at Winterton Towing because he's the dispatcher, and I let him know that I could use some assistance. Right across right here. Well, I'll just block it once you get in place so that you're good. Grab a vest. Yeah, that thing's a little heavy, I'm assuming, coming up that, but
yeah.
Didn't pull it out of there. I just didn't figure I could get it with a rollback when they told me where it was at. So.
Yeah. I've tried these with rollbacks.
No,
the back of your bed cuts the cable.
Yeah, it's not any good.
Well, we decided to drag it up this way.
Thanks, Matt. Made my job a lot easier. Did all the hard work.
You realize I just checked out, right? Like I'm off the clock.
Well, here's the deal. We got out here and just like normal, Winterton Towing beat me to the scene. Even though I called him, I knew I was going to need some assistance on it, so I gave him a call and they was able to come get it winched up out of the hole. They said 30 feet. I say 50 or 100, but we got it out of there with the help of the boys, and we're going to get it back in the yard, see where we end up from here. Big Jeep, we need you. You good?
Yeah, I'll get you your paperwork in just a few minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
We've already dropped one pieces.
I don't know if I'm going to get there or not. I'm going to have to do an offset. Shocking. Everybody got it.
I need this really bad. I'm getting a little tired of cleaning up Casey's messes. Pretty much all I do. That look good to you?
He doesn't sweep it this good, so you
Hey, for one time in your life, Big Jeep will be proud for you bailing me out for the day.
I just told him that I'm always cleaning up your messes and I'm getting tired of it. Where's that camera at?
This is what it's all about. People don't know what it's like in life to have somebody, no matter what, well, a lot of people probably do, no matter what, that you can count on 100%. Make the call and it's done. Whether it's him, whether it's his guys, this is what it's all about to me. Enjoying life, enjoying each other. It's great.
I agree. There's nothing better than being good friends in competition.
You're not going to do it, are you?
All I did was sweep.
Well, that's true.
So let me tell you what just happened here. So Casey got a rotation call for this accident, and we when he heard that it was down in the ravine, these rollback trucks, they're not good for that type of recovery work. So he gave us a call, bring our 12-ton wrecker out, see if we can scoop it out of there. So that's what I'm even doing here. I couldn't be more pleased with the results.
Yeah, that I'm not saying you can't get them out with a rollback, but it's just not worth it. It's not worth the wear and tear on the equipment. Pulling with a single cable, you're just asking for carnage. You try to keep a good eye on the cables and see what they're doing and making sure they're in good shape, but you just never know when you're going to have a failure. It just pays to call and have the right person come help you, and Matt's the man today. He made my job a lot easier. So we're going to take it back to the yard. So I guess you're never going to know what you're going to see on this channel. I guess that goes for life. We're just going to keep it real. I think I mentioned that the other day on this same stretch of road. Nice gate, isn't it?
Let me tell you a story about this gate. Did you already tell the story about this gate?
No, but...
So his Jeep, the Jailbird, we call it the Jailbird because some outstanding citizens broke into the yard and stole it, and they tried to bash out this gate with a truck, and they bashed through the gate and they hit that tractor and got hung up. And then they went and got his Jeep, which is now called Jailbird. It's the right-hand drive Cherokee in 01. And yeah, anyway, that's why the gate's like this. So
I've got a serious yard space problem right now. Like that. Those ain't no good for nothing anyways. If you were to ask me what I know about GoPro cameras, is that they have two buttons. There's a power button and there's a record button.
see, I would beg to differ. There's one button that messes them up and another one that messes them up worse.
Okay. And I've heard you don't push them both at the same time.
There's so many rules.
And if you want to know what I know about YouTube and video editing, so we're learning as we go, so be patient. We'll get better. I got a babysitter in my back pocket. Turn the camera around.
If he's talking about me, I'm no help.
Anyways, just push the record button. We're gonna document what we can. You're gonna see it in real time, real life. We're gonna edit out the garbage so that you can stand to watch it. Sometimes my videos might drag on for 15 minutes and you're gonna hang up on us, but other times they're gonna be short and sweet. So thanks for all the support. Thanks for watching. We cleared 8,000 subscribers today. We're really excited for the growth, and it's sort of turning into a real deal. We gotta keep pumping out videos. Casey's Off-Road Recovery. Here we go, on the road again.